Brotherly love. Okay, next. Even Don Don Gravidez. Galing mo, balik ako. Even Don Don Gravidez was Annika's friend. Boy's friend. Don Don Gravidez, Annika's second rose. When a boy gives a rose to a girl, sometimes this means friendship. Next, PJ Peralta. Next, Kira Setemberga. He was Annika's cousin. Okay. Yo-yo. Annika's third rose. Mas malaki pa yung rose. Next. Sam Abadia. Sam Abadia was Annika's friend. Boyfriend. Sam Abadia. Versus, we're calling the attention of Sam Abadia.
Ayaw niya.
Nandito siya pero ayaw niya. Next, Jorain Rapa Delgado.
Kasi.
Annika's cousin.
Masarap lang. Ayun, ayun. Ayaw nga niya. Ha? Ayun natin. May isa kumain ng mga gummy bear. Ayaw.
Jorain Rapa Delgado.
Ayun na.
Totoo ka na. Sige, Kurt Wesley De Vera na lang.
Next, Kurt Wesley De Vera. Annika's best friend.
Uy, atras! Kuya ko tingin.
Boy next door.
Sa bata na.
They love to eat gummy bears. Next,
Tapa.
Jorain Rapa Delgado.
Rapa. Pinsan.
Rapa. Annika's cousin.
May mga sapaltik ko. Dali na.
He is a prince, but he is shy.
O, ano na lang si Louie. Louie Fernandez.
Louie Fernandez. For the fifth rose, may we call on Louie Fernandez. Ito. He is the Prince of Silver. Uni Silver. Truly Silver works. Next, Dong Dong Estopa.
dito.